Hello everyone, welcome to today's mini ISO 101. Today I'm gonna take you to experience the powerful feature of mini ISO NDI. Mini ISO supports NDI encoding, which means you can encode your program outputs to NDI signals, send it to the network, and as well as mini ISO support NDI decoding, which means you can search for all the available NDI sources in the network and choose one channel to decode it. Okay, so let's go to my mini ISO, check out how do you operate NDI functions on the device. Okay. Before you can do any configuration of NDI function, make sure you have already enabled the NDI license for your mini ISO. If you still don't know how to do it, if you haven't done that yet, go to my previous video on how to get NDI functions authorized on your mini ISO, okay, on TAO Cloud. Okay. After that, you have done authorization of the NDI functions. Go to let's check out the NDI decoding first. Okay, go to menu, inputs. The fifth input will be your NDI decoder. So go to fifth inputs. You can choose NDI decoder. Okay, enable that function, and you will start the automatic search within the network. Search for all the available sources within the network. Okay, so I have 3 NDI sources in the network. The first two you see here from my Taiwan Mini, and the last one is from my NDI camera. So that's that one of them to use. Okay, switch to. Okay, so you can see my 5th channel. Okay, is NDI sources, and this feed from one of my Taiwan Mini, and I'm gonna switch to the second one, another video source from another Taiwan Mini, and the third one is my NDI camera. Okay, so of course you can only decode one of the sources at a time, and then you can do, but you can meanwhile we can do switching between them. So that's the NDI decoder. Okay, let's move on to the NDI encoder. So go to stream, okay. Moving down to NDI encoders, enable that. Okay. So now the NDI encoder is enabled. Now you will be able to pick up the NDI signals on the network at any endpoint of the device, in the network. Let's move on to my computer. Okay. See, open down my studio monitor on NDI tool. Okay, so I will be choosing. Okay, so you search your network, you will find the option of mini ISO. Okay, you can set that. That will be your the NDI sources coming from my mini ISO. Okay, let's do another search on it. Okay, so I can do switch directly on my mini ISO. So you will see the NDI outputs. It's gonna change while I'm doing switching. I can do direct cut. Also all my buttons is clean. You will see no delays or the signal change whatsoever. Okay, so this is the outputs NDI encoder. You can see the NDI encoding and decoding working at the same time. So you can decode one channel of NDI sources, and meanwhile encoding and then the output as one channel of NDI outputs. So that's how NDI works, and on the mini ISO, okay, we got one channel of decoding and one channel of encoding, and they working at the same time. Okay, so that's it for today's powerful NDI feature demonstration on Mini ISO. If you want to learn more about how to play with your Mini ISO, how to do programming of the devices, and stay tuned at our channels. We will present more functions of Mini ISO in later videos. Thank you.